So what you can do if you're using chat for your content is before you download the chat file, you can customize how it's going to look. You can come here to Advanced Chat Settings. In General tab, you can choose, for example, if you want a white background. In that case, you probably want a dark font as well. If you want a specific color, you can also come here, choose it. Or if you want a specific font, you can also come here and choose it. Doesn't look great. Let's go back to dark. You can choose how thick or thin you want stuff. So the usernames and also the comments themselves can be thinner or thicker. You can see down here how the end result will look. You can also choose if you want to show the badges up here. So the Twitch badges, if you disable them, they will also be disabled up here. Let's take a look at the Featured tab. This feature you'll use if you want to highlight a certain interaction you're having with a viewer or viewers. You can enable it. Oh, we have to add people first. Let's say we want to add this guy. And if I enable the feature, actually, let's just go and remove the specific colors. So here you can see that all the comments that this guy wrote. Let's say we want to add a few more people. You can imagine maybe these people had an interesting interaction between each other, or maybe they had an interesting back and forth with the streamer, like a discussion about something. This might be specifically interesting if you are a political stream or you are debating or arguing about something, and somebody in chat is giving good arguments or being stupid or whatever could be interesting. You can add them up here, and you will only be able to see the conversations from these people when you enable this feature. Now, if you download the chat video in these time periods, you'll only see these comments. Now let's take a look at the highlights mode. In this mode, you'll see all the different comments, but you can highlight certain comments that you would like to stand out. So when you enable the mode, you can just click certain comments. You think this one is an interesting point or something funny. So when you download the chat, you want this comment to stand out. When you clicked it, you can see now the background color changes. When you download the chat, it will have the same background color. You can also make it bold, or you can just have it be bold, for example. You can also change the background color to whatever color you want. You can have different highlighted comments if you click Command or Control while clicking on different comments. Or if you right-click a comment, it will highlight all comments from that specific user. If you're showing chat in your videos, it can be a good way to highlight interesting, funny comments that you would like to have stand out for your audience.